To turn on or turn off color correction shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then in the settings page, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. In here, tap on vision enhancements. Then we scroll down and tap on color correction. To use color correction, tap on the toggle button to turn it on or off from here. But there are other ways, and that is shortcuts. So you can turn on shortcuts from here. Then tap on the left hand side panel. In here, there are 4 different shortcuts that you can use. The first one is tap button in quick settings panel. So you can turn it on or off. If you select other options, then you can turn off the quick shortcuts from the quick settings. So here, if we turn on, you can access them from quick settings in here, color correction. So we can turn it on or we can switch it off from here. If you turn it off, then it will be removed from your quick settings control. And other options are the accessibility button. So if you add it, then you can access color correction from the accessibility menu. You can also use the side button, press side and volume up buttons. So if you select that, you can press on the side and volume up buttons. And then it says here, use side volume up buttons for accessibility. So tap on use. So I can tap on it to turn it on or switch it off. The other options is to press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. So you can turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. So at the moment it is turned on. So I will turn it off. So I'll see if there are other options in here because the color doesn't look right. So color corrections. So because the shortcuts are turned off, so that's why it's not available in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.